What's up, guys? So this is my 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack wide body, and as you can see, it's looking a little low. You know what I'm saying? It's looking a little low, a little lower than usual. Looks very good, if I do say so myself. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it, and the reason that is because I just did an install of the H&R springs for the Dodge Charger. I got the whole install video and my review of it and all that. I put it up on my page if you guys want to go check that out. I'll put the name of my YouTube up on the screen for you guys to see. But I purchased these springs through Redline360 after a lot of research, because I always look for the best price and, you know, a nice reputable company to go through. And without a doubt, they had the best price that I found. And I heard a lot of good things about H&R springs, so those are the ones that I went with, man. And not all companies carry H&Rs for Chargers. A lot of them have IBOC, but Redline360 had the H&Rs that I wanted, and I'm very happy, man. It's not totally level right here, so give you guys a little cold start with this video and we'll level it out. I'll move it for you guys. And yes, we do got the red interior, or red guts as they say, with the bees on the seats. But yeah, let's move this thing, get it to a little more level surface. That way you can really see how it sits. All right, so there you guys see it. It looks pretty good. Honestly, for me, this is about perfect. I wouldn't want it any lower. And I think a little higher, you would see more of that gap. I didn't want it to be tucked under, and it looks good, man. No rubbing, no anything. Like I said, rides smooth. Haven't dealt with any issues with it. I've already gone on some steep driveways and no issues. You know, you just got to know how to drive, go up at an angle, and you should be good. In the back, it is a 1.4 inch drop, so the back is a little higher. I could fit 2 fingers in there pretty comfortably. And in the front, it is a 1.7 inch drop. So like I said, probably about 1.5 fingers in there. And I like that, man. It gives it that old muscle look where the back's a little higher than the front. And as you guys can see, that thing is looking mean, man. It's looking mean. Perfect sit. Probably have to throw some spacers on there, but I'm extremely happy. Like I said, shout out to Redline360 for having the best prices that I could find. Yeah, man, go hit them up.